Every year, Geneva becomes the center of the universe because every year the who's who of the car industry comes together at the Geneva International Motor Show. Daimler presents its novelties with the slogan, "You've got the choice."
Customers have the choice almost in all segments. If they want to go for Mercedes, there are no white spots, almost no white spot left. And therefore, this is our offer to the customers. You have the choice, whatever you want, we have an offer for you.
There are not only reforms regarding the product range, but also referring to the customer service.
We will offer, as of now, our Mercedes Me Flexperience, which means our customers can drive 12 different Mercedes, 12 months, and I think that's a perfect addition to our You've Got the Choice offer.
A very special highlight is the world premiere of the classics. The Mercedes-Benz C-Class received an extensive range of modifications. Modern, sportive, powerful.
With a whole new range of powertrains. Of course, the first diesel plug-in that we're offering in a Mercedes is in the new C-Class. The assistance systems coming straight from the S-Class.
Already now, the Mercedes-Benz C-Class is the most successful production series. The Mercedes-AMG C43 also got a new look. The interior profits from an optimal, full digitalized cockpit. In addition to this, the AMG development engineers increased its performance up to 390 horsepower. The C-Class in its diversity remains and will be a model for every standard in the future.